Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, I'm an interior designer here in Ireland. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon as well, just so you're notified whenever I upload. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 DIYs using leftover tissue roll. And this is crazy because I have never done more than 1 DIY per video. I was feeling ambitious, so here you go. Okay, so DIY number 1 is a rustic carrot made from leftover tissue rolls. So what you're going to need for this DIY is tissue rolls, obviously. You're also going to need a hot glue gun, scissors, and spray paint, which is optional, and twine to hang it up. This is also optional as well. And that is all. First of all, get your tissue roll and scissors. You're going to cut the tissue roll in half, then cut thin pieces in half. Do this one more time to the other halves. Confusing, I know, but trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Now, once your hot glue gun has heated up, you can start assembling your heart. Take your time, this was so relaxing. This is optional, but if you want, you can take it a step further and spray paint your heart. Okay, so for DIY number 2, I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute little gift boxes or favorite boxes, whatever you want to call them. And what you're going to need for this DIY is tissue rolls, again obviously, a hot glue gun or double-sided tape. You're also going to need tissue paper or some sort of pattern paper or napkins or something. And you're also going to need twine or wool and a scissors. Firstly, take your tissue roll and flatten it. Then fold in the corners on either side. Now you need to get your tissue paper or whatever pattern or fabric you choose and wrap it around, then glue it down with your hot glue gun or double-sided tape. And to finish it off, take your twine and tie it around with a little bow. Okay, and now for DIY number 3 is an Orla Kylie inspired piece based off her iconic leaf design. So what you're going to need for this DIY is tissue rolls again, scissors, hot glue gun, and paint and a marker, which is optional. You can just use the paint for the stem if you wish. Firstly, draw a straight line down your page. Then choose your paint colors. Once you have chosen your paint colors, you can start painting your leaves. Now that your leaves are painted, you can start gluing them onto your stem. And all you need to do is paint the inside of your leaves and put it into its frame, and you are done. Okay guys, so that's it for another video. I really hope you enjoyed. What I really love about these DIYs is that you can personalize them to your own taste, which is amazing. So let me know down in the comments what you thought. If you're going to try any of these, which one was your favourite? Would you like to see more of these kind of compilation DIYs with a few DIYs in one video? And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!